Windstar. Problem: limited camber adjustment range. Wiper assembly removal is necessary for factory procedure, adding 1 to 1.5 hours to alignment time. Solution: our camber plates allow up to 1.25 degrees of positive camber adjustment and eliminate the need for wiper removal. Note: with this product, it is necessary to install plates on both sides of vehicle because this product will affect ride height. Check alignment and determine camber change required. Raise the vehicle so the suspension hangs freely and supports safely. Remove pinch bolt holding strut into knuckle. Remove ABS wire bracket from strut. Using a 6 mm Allen wrench and 18 mm box wrench, remove upper end of sway bar link from strut, being careful to keep threaded shaft from spinning. Remove brake hose bracket from the strut and frame rail. Remove outer tie rod end from steering arm. The strut and knuckle must be separated. As a time saver of the conventional pry bar method, our strut removal tool can be used. Separate the knuckle from the strut. When working on driver's side of vehicle, it is helpful to first move air filter for easier access to strut bolts. Using a 13 mm serpentine belt wrench and straight ratchet box end wrench, remove 3 nuts holding upper strut assembly to fender tower. Remove strut from vehicle and install in vise using suitable holder. Replace nuts on studs. Using a tie rod removal tool, press studs from the plate. Cut studs flush with top of mount. Use a magnet to retrieve bottom of studs from between strut plate and upper spring plate. Having lettered side facing up, set adjustable camber plate on top of factory strut plate, having the elongated holes matching the holes of the OE strut plate. From the underside of the camber plate, install the long Allen head bolts through the 3 holes marked left or right. The elongated holes correspond to 5 camber positions ranging from 1/4 to 1.25 degrees of positive camber. A fast procedure to bolt the adjustable camber plate and the OE strut plate together is to place the self-locking nut into a 1/2 inch box end wrench. Drop the wrench through the opening between the strut plate and upper spring seat. Slide the wrench as far forward as possible, then rotate the wrench 90 degrees to the strut assembly. Use a pin punch to bring everything into alignment. While exerting pressure on end of wrench, install short Allen bolt through camber plate in position needed for desired camber change. Hand tighten only. Torque bolts 26 to 30 foot-pounds, 35 to 40 Newton-meters. Reinstall strut into fender tower using nuts and washers provided. Torque nuts to 26 foot-pounds, 35 Newton-meters. Rotate strut about 30 degrees toward the toe-out direction and roll the knuckle onto the base of the strut. Insert a round pry bar in the pinch bolt hole in the knuckle and align the knuckle so it will slide up onto the bottom of the strut. Check the alignment of the tab at base of strut to the split in the knuckle. If necessary, insert the round pry bar into the sway bar hole on the strut and rotate the strut to align tab. Use a small bottle jack to slide the knuckle far enough to install the pinch bolt. Apply Loctite to threads of pinch bolt and torque bolt to 85 foot-pounds, 115 Newton-meters. Reinstall ABS wire, sway bar link, and brake hose brackets. Repeat product on other side of vehicle. Recheck camber to verify camber changes. Proceed with the rest of the alignment and road test the vehicle.